Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I will be pranking Rudy. We will be doing my ex versus my husband challenge. So I prepared a little prank for him and I hope it will go well and we will see. So stay tuned with us and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're new here, we're so happy to have you with us. We are the Islanders family. I'm T.
And I'm Rudy.
And for today's video, we will be doing a little bit of challenge. As you can see, I have two cups with me here. Today's challenge, it's gonna be my ex versus my husband. So the water corresponds to my ex and it's just plain water. And this one is lemon juice prepared by my husband. So this one is for my husband. So Rudy will be asking me questions, and according to the answer, I will be drinking one of these two cups. Okay. So I have to be honest as possible, and Rudy, you don't have to force me to drink one of these two cups. I will drink according to how I feel and my answer. Okay.
If you drink too much water, you'll be sleeping on the couch tonight.
Okay, so we shall begin. You can ask me questions.
Okay, let's start with the first question, guys. Who is the most fun? Who has the nicest body?
Can I train two at the same time?
No, don't have to write. You only have right to drink one. Who is the funniest?
Il faut pas dire c'est grand. Next question.
Who made you cry the most? Drink some more water. Who does your mom love the most? Who gives the best massage? Who would you rather get married to? Interesting. Who makes you feel the most safe? Yo, 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 yo. What the fuck is going on? Te pète le verre devant toi.
No, but you don't have to force me to drink any of these.
Safe this. Montrer que c'est qui tu vas te sentir safe avec. Commence pas. Ce Vanato, il est juste à côté. Who makes you feel the safe the most? Who makes you feel the most safe? No, you don't have to write to drink two.
You don't have to tell me what cup.
No, you have choice between water or juice. You cannot drink both.
It's two of you, so I cannot choose.
Hey, your ex, if you see this video, next time, don't worry. Anytime, anywhere, my friend.
No violence, please.
Who is stronger? Yo, non, là, tu joues avec mes sentiments, mais tu choisis même. Soit l'eau, soit le jus.
It's two of you, baby.
Maintenant, il va faire choose water or choose. Là, je te répète une dernière fois, ne répète pas les coups, je te dis tout de suite, choose. Soit tu bois de l'eau, soit tu bois. Mais c'est quoi ton truc là? Je te pose une question, tu me bois deux trucs en même temps. Je t'ai dit d'arrêter de faire ça.
What's the question?
Who is stronger?
Stronger. Okay, it's you.
Commence par me casser les couilles. Je me connais déjà, c'est qui ton ex. Who do you feel you can trust the most? Et pourquoi t'es avec moi alors si tu me suis starter c'est trust the most?
It's because I don't want to be with him.
Non, 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 là c'est deep ta réponse.
Trust the most. I trust you, but I trust him the most. I
Pourquoi?
trust you, but I trust him the most.
Pourquoi?
Because.
Because what?
Because.
Yeah, fucking answer right now. Don't take my fucking camera.
Next question.
No, no, next question. Give me one straight answer. M'énerve pas. Donne-moi une réponse tout de suite. C'est cash.
Because.
Non, là je rigole plus maintenant. Là tu me donnes une réponse. Because what? You know, because question is, you watch out, I let me take classical problem. Who is the best kisser?
Next question.
No, who is the best kisser?
Pizza.
Who is the best? Who is the best kisser? The best kisser.
I don't know who is the best. I say none of you. Both.
My goodness, you did kiss a ghost? Who do you argue with more? It's a lie. She's pretending. This cup of Who surprised you more with gifts? Yo. Crache-l'eau dedans. T'as où que... Amigi mon gifli et mon biguan.
Both of you?
Non, là il faut arrêter pour both. Parce que ça fait trop maintenant. Both, ça commence à me taper sur les nerfs.
Okay.
Point.
You gave me many more gifts than him.
Yeah, but the question is simple. Who? You have to choose between one of them.
Firstly,
No, you don't
the
have
most-
first and second. It's only first and it's first. And then you drink juice or lemon or water.
You cannot force me. When I drink this one, it's
No,
this
but you
one.
only have one choice. You don't have two choices here.
But I give you. I have to be as honest as
Yeah, but if you're honest, just answer for the first one. You don't care for the second guy.
Both of you gave me gifts.
He give you more gifts than me.
Not more, but many.
I mean, you like what?
Many gifts.
Guys, she'll be sleeping on the couch tonight. Who do you think love you the most? That question, don't play around with this question or else this house might be burned down tonight, guys. Yeah, this question you have to put thumbs up on the class.
No, not bottoms up.
This is the last question.
Okay, that's the last question.
One glass, the right glass.
Why the right one?
Choose the right glass to drink.
What's the question?
Who do you think love you the most? Don't mess with this question, I promise you. I will burn this house down, I will burn France, I will declare World War IV.
What if I don't know the answer?
No, you don't. If there's no, I don't know. Are you serious? I promise you don't stop the world tonight. Because I'll be worse than Putin.
love me the most.
Yo,
Hmm?
eh, tu bois ce verre, je te jure, tu dors pas dans la chambre ce soir, tu dors dehors, dehors de véranda. No, you put thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
On,
Why are you showing me this one?
any of the glass, but this one, who loves you the most, you. Je joue pas avec ça. Moi, je te jure, là, je vais frapper là, le verre, je vais péter entre ma main. Put thumbs up on the right one.
Which right one? I don't know which one. But what if I don't know the answer?
I don't give a damn. Just drink the right cup. You think it's the right person, drink it. Otherwise, guys.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's just a prank.
Cut the video. Put us down, guys. Bye.
That's good, right?
I have a bad temper.
As you can see, obviously.
I can be calm, but
I had it good, right,
I
guys?
try to hold myself unless I'm gonna try to say pete and cap.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video and we will see you next time on our next video. Bye!